guys, so today we have a Dior unboxing that we're going to do. This is the new Millefiori range, so let's just get onto it. I had to buy the items from the Dior website but also from the Maya website because some items were exclusive to Maya. There we go. Ooh. I always love Dior's packaging. It's always so pretty and so nice. So this is the item. So this is the one that was purchased from the Dior website, and it comes with the envelope, and this has just the delivery information in it. So that's so pretty. Like, you could put a card in this and just gift this to the person and just take out the, receipt. And like, even the packaging, the Dior packaging, like this is just the postage box, and it comes with the Dior stamp, and you can repackage it as well. So anyway, this is the box. Such a pretty card, look at that. Yeah, happy anniversary, beautiful. I've written so many notes to myself every time I order these just so I can get this. So I think I ran out of things to say. So I happy anniversaried myself. I've got here the item. There's a game I play with myself and I try to take the sticker off without ripping. Ooh, I did it this time. Okay. Woohoo! So this is the Millefiori collection, and it's the one that's got these really nice pretty florals on it. This is the cushion powder. Wow, it's a material piece. That's gorgeous packaging, honestly. And then you've got the powder puff in here. We have the very shimmery powder. Look at all the little glitter specks. So on the website it did say it was a loose powder, and I thought it was just a pink loose powder, and I was like, oh, that's cool. It's not. It's very shimmery. We also have some goodies. So when you buy off the Dior website, this is how you get your items, and this is the pouch that your free samples come in. And you get to choose 2 free samples. I know in America, there's discount codes for everything, and you can always get a couple of things with a discount code. We don't have that in Australia because I've tried all American discount codes and none of them seem to work. So our best thing is 2 free samples, and we get to choose the samples depending on what's available. And then sometimes I'll have a free gift with purchase if you spend over this amount, but on certain things. So this is free gift number 1, and then this is the other thing I chose. I really like that. It reminded me of the Chanel flower. This is a sample of their advanced serum. So, and that is pretty. This is a candle, the Miss Dior scented candle. And now when looking at a lot of reviews of this online, people were like, I thought this was bigger. Honestly, I didn't, because if you look at the normal Dior candles, they're $300, and it's a medium size jar. And oh my god, I can smell it already. This jar's pretty small, so I didn't expect it to be a big one. I expected it to be a small one. Oh my god, it smells so good. I love that it's printed onto the candle. Okay, focus. It's printed onto the candle. It's not a sticker or anything. That is very fancy. And it's got the sticker. It's indented in, and it's got the sticker inside it. Look at that. That's gorgeous. And it is a baby pink color. Oh, it smells so good. It smells really, really yummy. That's what I got from the Dior website, and then I also got something from Maya, because they also had the Dior collection exclusively at Maya, some items. But then I seen them on the Dior website, so I don't know what's happening with Dior, but it's that was just annoying, because after I bought this, I went onto the Maya website first, seeing that they had this, and then I went onto the Dior website because I really wanted the whole experience, and they didn't have certain products, so I had to go back to Maya and buy this item that I wanted that they didn't have. But then a couple of days later, when I went on the website, they had that product. So I don't know. Try your luck. So Dior packaging, you've seen it. With the Maya packaging, it comes just in this Maya box. With Maya, you do get a free gift with purchase. So if you purchased anything from their this range, they gave you a free, actually it's not a gift with purchase, but it's just the Dior bag. The Miss Dior bag that has the Millefiori design on it. This is it. Oh my god, the bag's so pretty. Look at it. So it comes with the bag. Anything you order comes with the bag. And then from them, I ordered the bath salts. So this is the Miss Dior bath salts. There we go. So these are it. You've got, I think this comes with 10 of these bath bombs. The Miss Dior bath bombs. Oh my god, they're so cute. They smell nice too. And they come in this box. I thought this box would have been like a plastic one or something. Like, come on, make it pretty packaging like that. Considering this was like 100 and something, I believe. But that's so pretty. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is what I bought from the new Dior collection. And this I bought from Maya, and I'm pretty sure it was like 100 and something, and they do free standard delivery. And you also got the bag, the shopping bag with it, which is so pretty. Look at that. And then this I got from the Dior website. I do believe they are now selling the bath salts, so you can get that, although I don't think you can get the shopping bag. But yeah, and you also get 2 free gifts when you shop from their website, so that's amazing. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for, I don't know, any other items. If there's anything you'd want to see, please do let me know.